What's up, guys? Zippo Master 67 here. I just wanted to show you I just wanted to unbox my new Zippo. It is the Cheech Chong Up in Smoke Zippo. Costs $28.95, and I just really like this one because I love Cheech Chong. They're really funny. It's the street chrome. No, those aren't used scratches. Those are supposed to be there. The only thing I don't like from the seller I keep getting them from is that... Oh, I already took the sticker off the back, by the way. Is that this is really loose, the lid. And I don't know why, but on this one... Hold on, just give me a second. I don't know why, but the insert... Hold on, let me show you this first. See how much that moves? Like, it goes that way. It's really loose lid, which I don't really like that well, but since I'm not going to be using it, I don't want to worry about it too much. If I can get it to focus. See, it says B12, so February 12th, but the insert, it says C12, so March 12th, which I don't really like that it says that, because I was kind of hoping it would be the same. See, if I go up here and I get my other one, this is my collection stand. If you didn't see me unbox this one, check out some of my other videos. This one, the lid isn't that loose on it. And this is F12. So that would be, let's see, so that means it would be June 2012. And hold on a second, let me take the insert out. That one said F12, and this one says F12. And I don't really know why it didn't match, and I'm kind of upset about that. Hold on a second, put this back in. And yeah, the lid is really loose, which I don't like. But basically that's all. I only paid $22 for it, but the retail price is $28.95. So I got a pretty good deal on it, even though it's not really, I don't know. But yeah, I still like it. It's a good thing for my collection I'm starting. And it works. But I'm not going to put any fluid in them. Like I said, I'm still working on getting some more Zippos for my collection. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while because I haven't been able to get much money lately. Because I've been having to buy other stuff. And I've just been really busy. So I will try to get as much as I can. And if I stop posting videos, well, not forever, but I mean, like, haven't posted any in a few weeks, just bear with me. I will be trying to get as much out as I can. This is still the one I mainly use, even though it's not really it's not a Zippo, it's just off-brand, but it's not even called a Zippo. Need to refill it. There we go. I still use that one a lot. From when I got it brand new, it has some wear on it already. This paint's starting to chip off on that. A lot of stuff on the back is starting to get scratched up. Hold on a second. It's starting to get scratched a lot because I've been using it a lot. And this keeps happening. Like, the back starts to lift up, kind of. But yeah, it still works really good. So anyway, remember, subscribe, comment, rate, whatever. And I'll post more videos as soon as I can. Bye.